unboxing this little donut toy. So it's supposed to be like a squishy with a surprise in it. I finally opened it and we got a bunch of packaging. So let's open this first. I got a little cat, bro. That's so cute. I'm gonna put it in a donut. I'm gonna put it like in a donut hole. And then got another one. Open it. Let's see. Oh, got the panda. Let's go, baby. Okay. Now let's see what I get. I got a cute little frog. And Sigma. This is supposed to be a bear. I'm pretty sure. But where did half of its body go? Wait, what? Well, that is okay. Let's go on, I guess. And then for the last one, we got. It's a little hippo. That's so cute. They're all like squishies. Could wear them as rings and stuff. Let me like. Okay. Cute. It's giving. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Bye. Oh my god, why does his hair keep popping out?